Trust Tanfon Solar, safe, viable, more saving. Welcome to Tanfon Solar Energy Storage Factory. If your school also want to save electricity bill, trust our Tanfon 50 kilo and 500 kilowatt solar system. It's the ideal choice.
We will install solar panels on the rooftops of teaching buildings, and the inverters of the energy storage system will be directly connected to all loads of schools, such as air conditioners, computers, office appliances, etc. We don't just sell equipment, we provide you with a 25-year world-free electricity guarantee. Installation is just the beginning of our service. Chinese engineers will provide on-site training and issue operational certifications to ensure your team can operate the system safely. Once the system is operational, the China IET Monitoring Center will proactively monitor the campus power generation, storage, and consumption 24/7. This is not just about fault response, but also preventative maintenance through AI algorithms that predict risk and intervene early. We promise to provide in-depth operational reports quarterly and arrange for engineers to conduct on-site inspections annually, along with 25 years of free remote monitoring. As Sunshine continuously saves the campus electricity bills, TANFON is always there to ensure the safe operation of every kilowatt hour.